If you are a fan of authentic Indonesian cuisine, maybe you are very familiar with the name eggplant. Eggplant is a versatile cooking ingredient. There are many ways to process it, from cooking, frying, to making chili sauce. You can also find eggplant dishes easily everywhere. However, did you know that eggplant actually offers various kinds of properties that are good for health? Apart from its delicious taste, you have 5 more reasons to regularly eat eggplant. To find out more about the benefits of eggplant for the body, just look at the information below. Eggplant is widely grown in tropical and subtropical countries, such as South Asia, Southeast Asia, and South Africa. Although eggplant is more commonly processed as a vegetable or side dish, eggplant is actually a fruit. Fate is the same as cucumbers, tomatoes, peppers, or chilies, which are more often eaten than consumed as fruits. When you hear the word eggplant, you may immediately think of a deep purple fruit that looks like a cucumber. In fact, various other types of eggplant are not very popular. The classes include green eggplant and round eggplant. Round eggplant is usually served as a complement to fresh vegetables. However, no matter what type of eggplant you like, its health benefits are still good and should not be overlooked. So far, eggplant is rarely seen as a source of nutritious food. In fact, the benefits of eggplant are so diverse, ranging from maintaining heart health to making skin glow naturally. Here is the full explanation. The content of fiber, potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and phytonutrients make eggplant so great for your heart health. Besides, the flavonoids or water-soluble pigments in eggplant can also prevent various types of heart disease. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2012, a kind of flavonoid useful for protecting the heart is anthocyanins. These pigments can also lower your blood pressure. So, you are at risk for heart disease or hypertension should start eating eggplant, rich in anthocyanins. A study conducted by experts in Brazil shows that regularly eating eggplant can help you control cholesterol levels. The reason is, a research team at the United States Department of Agriculture found that eggplant is rich in chlorogenic acid compounds. This compound is proven to reduce body weight and levels of bad cholesterol or LDL, low-density lipoprotein, in the body. The eggplant itself does not contain cholesterol at all, so it is safe for consumption by people who need to maintain a balanced cholesterol level. Apart from lowering harmful cholesterol levels, chlorogenic acid also functions as an antiviral, antimicrobial, and anti-carcinogen. You will also avoid various other dangerous diseases if you regularly eat eggplant. The benefits of eggplant can also be obtained from the skin. Eggplant skin is rich in niacin, which is an antioxidant substance that is good for brain health. Niacin can protect brain cell membranes from free radical attack and facilitate the distribution of body cells' nutrients. Another nutrient in eggplant that is good for your brain is anthocyanins. According to a study in the British Journal of Nutrition in 2010, this pigment is responsible for triggering blood circulation to the brain and preventing inflammation of the brain's nerves. This can prevent various diseases and impaired cognitive functions of the brain caused by the aging process. Besides, your memory will also get more vital if you get used to eating eggplant. Not many have highlighted one of the benefits of eggplant, namely preventing cancer. In fact, eggplant is rich in polyphenols, anthocyanins, and chlorogenic acid. These substances are useful for preventing tumor growth and stopping the spread of cancer cells in your body. These 3 substances will also trigger special enzymes in cells responsible for removing various toxins and killing cancer cells. Chlorogenic acid is also anti-mutagenic, which means it can fight cancer-causing gene mutations. Unexpectedly, eggplant can be the answer to your skin problems that are dull and dry. This fruit is rich in antioxidants and consists of approximately 92% water. So, eating eggplant can help moisturize and nourish the skin from within. Antioxidants will also ward off free radicals that can kill your skin cells so that your skin is not supple and looks darker.